Hi everyone, I'm Neha and I'm back with a new tutorial in which I'll be telling about the keyword research and how to find your targeted keywords and what is the exact keyword strategy that you need to follow while optimizing your website. So this tutorial is dedicated to all the people who want to optimize their website according to the keywords they want to target, right? So whenever you start the SEO process for any website, so the first thing that you have to do is you have to find the relevant keywords or the search terms that your user must be interested in. So as you can see, this is my website, which is Tri-City Travels. And for example, I'll just use this website to help you explain how to find your keywords. And firstly, you have to go to Google Google Keyword Planner. So just type Google Keyword Planner in Google, and you'll see this is the tool available. You have to sign in with your AdWords account. So if you are not having any AdWords account, you have to first of all sign up for that and set up the currency and other details, and then you are done with the AdWords account creation. So since I already have my AdWords account, so I just need to sign in with that. So keyword research basically needs some sort of brainstorming as well. You can get some ideas from your competitors, and according to the content that you have on your website, you can keep a mixture of all these things while selecting the keywords or while searching the keywords. There are many other tools as well, such as word tracker, and SEMrush is also there. Then there are many tools available in the market for finding the keywords, but I personally prefer to have Google AdWords because ultimately I'll be optimize. My first priority is to optimize my website for Google at first place. So as you can see, there are many options available out here, and you have to use the first option, which is search for new keywords using a phrase, website, or a category. So you can type any keyword which you might think is the most appropriate one. So I'll type travel company in Chandigarh, which is my location. So if you are a local business, try to find more long tail keywords, which is combined with your location, target region, or state, city, or county, whatever you feel like. And then there's a landing page, so I'll use this as my landing page. And then it's your wish if you want to select your category or not, because I haven't seen any much difference in selecting or not selecting this category and the results afterwards. So I've found my category, which is travel and tourism, so I'll select this, and then I'll be selecting holiday packages. All right, so I'll click on this get ideas. So as you can see, basically this Google keyword planner is works in more sort of a Google AdWords structure. As you can see, there are ad group ideas as well. So if you are doing keyword research for make for your PPC or pay per click campaign, so you can get the ideas of your ad groups as well. But if you are doing keyword research just in general for SEO or for PPC, you can click on the keyword ideas here, and then it will show the search volume of the keyword, the competition, and the suggested bid. So the suggested bid is is being displayed in Indian currency. So whatever currency you'll be selecting while creating your AdWords account, for example, if you select dollar, pound, euro, so it will be reflected in that currency only. So it gives you the local value. And on the left side there are certain controls, as such as all locations, all languages. And then you have to, if you want to just optimize or target your website in a specific area, so obviously it's a good idea to select that location only. So if I have to, my target is just India or Indian audience, so I'll just click select India. If you want to target USA, UK, Australia or any other country or a specific state only. So you can do research according to that. But in the more narrow you'll make your location, the less searches you'll be able to find. So hopefully, if you are like if I have to select this as Chandigarh only, I'm not sure whether it will show me any searches or not. So if I have to see that how many people are actually looking for travel company in Chandigarh keyword, specifically in Chandigarh region, so you can see the average monthly searches is being reduced by 10, and the competition has went from low to medium. So since I don't want to just focus on Chandigarh, I want to target the entire India who are looking for travel companies in Chandigarh. So I'll select India and then save. So, in case your website is any other language, so you can select your language as well. But since my website is not having any specific languages, so I'll not be doing anything with this setting. And then rest of the thing you can keep it the same. If you want to increase the data of the monthly searches, you can check you can change the settings from here. Right now it is showing me from April 2015 to March 2016, which is the 12 months duration. And then if you want to compare the monthly searches and how many searches have been changed over the period of time, so you can use this compare feature, and it will give you three options, which is previous period, same period last year, custom. So this is usually not I would not really use this feature, but it's totally up to you if you want to check that what is the growth or what is the the trends of your searches for the targeted keyword. So for now you can just cancel it, and then you can see that this keyword is a good keyword. Why it is a good keyword? Because it has some sort of monthly searches, and secondly it has a low competition as well. So I'll definitely take this into my bucket list, and I'll be adding it into my Excel. So the ideal, keywords are those which are low in competition, and they have a good amount of search volume as well, and they are relevant to your business or website as well. So obviously, I'll not be taking travel company in Chennai, because I'm not targeting Chennai as a single, or we are not the travel company in Chennai. We are based in Chandigarh, so obviously my target keyword would be travel company in Chandigarh, not travel company in Chennai, Mumbai, or XYZ location, right? However, if Tri-City Travel is having offices in different locations, so definitely I'll pick other locations in the keyword as well, right? So, start being copied. This is how you can make your Excel so that it is easy to manage, and whenever you feel like reviewing your keywords or checking the baseline ranking for them, you can usually use this Excel sheet. And then here you can mention the competition. So my search volume is 20 and the competition is low. So based on that, you can see there are different suggestions that have been provided by Google AdWords tool, and you can see there are 702 keywords. So you can sort them out, or you can even download these keywords, because it becomes difficult to review 700 keywords in one go. So this is the one shortcut that I'll be telling you to find the most relevant one among these 703 keywords. So save this file and then open it. So this is the file or the keywords list that Google has given to me. So what I'll be doing is, if I have to find local keywords which are related to Chandigarh, what I'll be doing is I'll be inserting a filter, and then I'll add text filter, which is called. So this is the sheet that I've got from Google AdWords. I've downloaded a list of the keyword suggestions. So in this, I'll be telling about how to find out the most relevant keywords in few minutes, instead of viewing a long list of 700 plus keywords. So once you download a sheet of the keyword recommendations that you have got from Google AdWords, you'll have to insert the filter, and then you'll go to the text filter and click on contains. For example, if I have to take out the keywords that contain Chandigarh in that contain the word Chandigarh, so I'll be adding contains Chandigarh. So as you can see that there are certain keywords, but again I have to see that which one are the relevant keywords for the website that I am optimizing for. So in this, I'll be using this one, which I have already taken, and then this is also a good keyword, and then this is also. So I believe most of the keywords are relevant one except these two, because this seems to be a keyword which is more sort of package related. For example, if somebody is looking for a holiday package or a travel package from Chandigarh to Manali or Chandigarh to Shimla, so for homepage definitely I'm not going to use such keywords. For such keywords, I can make specific landing pages or landing pages of specific packages. For example, if I'm offering a holiday package of Chandigarh to Shimla, so I'll be utilizing such keywords on that page, but not on the home page. So let's clear the filter, and then you can again filter them with color, right? So I've got the keywords that are relevant, that are the location based keyword that I really want, because at initial I would personally recommend you to optimize your website with the long tail keywords. And when you are targeting from a specific location, or your target audience is based in a specific location, so it's always good idea to target location based keyword and then move ahead with the more generic keywords. So when you are new, obviously go for location based state, which contains state, city, and other details. So I'll be pasting those keywords out here in my bucket list and the search volume. If you want to write the competition in terms of low, medium, or high, so you'll have to again search these keywords in Google Keyword Planner, because the sheet that you'll be downloading will be giving you competition and points. So any competition which is the lower the points, the lesser will be the competition. So if the competition of a keyword shows 1, so this one is like highly competitive, and the lower the value will be there, the competition will always be lower, right? So for example, the 0.22 is a low competition, zero point 0.6 or 0.76 might be medium competition, so we can check them out. So let's copy this and paste into our keyword planner. You can modify your search, or you can directly paste your keywords out here and click on get ideas. Earlier the Google AdWords was accessible to everyone, but nowadays you have to sign up with Google AdWords, only then you'll be able to use this tool. So as you can see, I have two keywords that have high competition. So it's up to you whether you want to really target high competitive keywords or not. I personally don't take highly competitive keywords, so I'm gonna exclude these keywords for now. And tours and travel in Chandigarh. So this is having a medium competition. Tour and travel in Chandigarh. This is having a high competition. This is having a low competition. is again having a high competition. So having a medium. So obviously you can always take low to medium keywords and avoid taking high competitive keywords, because it shows that many advertisers or many other websites are targeting for that keyword. So obviously it will be difficult for you to make your mark on those keywords. So it's always a good idea to go for low and medium keywords at the initial level, and then you can go with the highly competitive keywords later on. This is also medium. So you can also do some brainstorming while searching the keywords, but definitely this shortcut is going to give you good suggestions, because these search queries are basically based on what people are searching for. So make a combination of your brainstorming, get some suggestions from competitors. I'm gonna tell you one more trick to find out the keywords that are being searched on Google. So that is also you can find out, and you can paste them out here and see if they are having a good search volume with a low or medium competition, right? This keyword is having again a medium competition. Tour and travel Chandigarh. This is this is low. So for me, these two keywords are definitely not, I'm not going to take them into the list. So I've got 9 keywords for homepage, which are pretty much sufficient for the homepage. And you can see that most of the keywords that I've taken, they are low and medium competition. So I'll be optimizing my content, my other strategies that are included in SEO according around these keywords. So apart from this, I was telling you that how what are the other ways of finding keyword suggestions. This is definitely based on what you are brainstorming and what Google advert is giving you. And if you go to google.com, up to you if you want to make your search in Google India or any other regional Google search. So I'll be typing something related to my industry. So travel companies in Chandigarh. So as you can see, there are some auto suggestions that Google is already giving me. So I'm gonna take these keywords as well and find out that if these keywords are good enough or not. So I'm taking just one example to explain. So since this, though Google is showing as a suggestion, because definitely people might be searching for it, but the amount of searches is so less that the Google AdWords is not giving any data about it. And I believe rest of the keywords we have already taken. So this is also a few suggestions that you might find related to your industry. So you can don't forget to search these keywords also. And if you find that these are the relevant ones, do include them in your keyword strategy or keyword list. And this is all about in this tutorial. So in case you have any query, any question that is related to your keyword research, or you want any assistance in keyword research, feel free to contact me, or feel free to post your comments in the comment sections below. So I would always love to answer them, and I would always love to help you out. Thank you so much. Have a good time.